Now I will be doing a side veneer graft. I have three varieties: Gala, James Grieve and large Lambourne. The first one is Gala. So I will start it from the top. Give a cut on the side of the tree, a long cut going downward. As you can see, that one. Take a little bit extra wood, give a cut on the side of the same length. Use another back cut which is supposed to be slightly smaller than the other one. Now I will push the scion in. Just I am going to make a cut at the small flap, just leaving a little bit of window at the top. They sit properly. Just make sure the things don't move out of line. Now, before I start the second graft, it is better to put a bit stronger tape around it, because when the other grafting is done, then the scions will be obstructing. That will complete one graft. And I'll make a cut over here, reduce its length. So that's one is complete. Now I'll make the other one. Choose a bit a place which is smooth and start making a cut downward. I think that's long enough. Take the knife out and take a little bit extra wood from the top. I'll put a large Lambourne and a back cut which is smaller than the other cut. Use this one as a back cut and make another cut on the other side. 1, 2, 3 buds and cut the rest. Now if you push it in, put the tape around, make sure that the scion doesn't move, and stay all the contact between both sides is right. I should have cut the top a little bit, this one. especially at the top it needs a bit extra gentle pressure. Cut the extra tape. That has completed the second one, and now I'll use James Grieve variety. They are nice apples. I'll reduce the length of it. So first you need to choose a better spot where you can give a cut in the bark. This is I think much better place. Give a cut downward. Take the knife out, and at the top take a little bit chip of the wood extra. Give a back cut. Now is the inward cut, which should be slightly longer than that one. That's much better. Now push it in. Now that's a perfect match. Now start wrapping it from the bottom, and make sure that while you are putting the tape around, nothing moves. Start it from the bottom. Second round, it is locked. Now you can keep adding a gentle pressure every time. Because this scion is growing outward, so it has made it easy to wrap and make it tight. That the job is done. One thing left, that is sealing these joints. That side, put the same on this side, add a little bit on that cut, and end of the scion, cover that one with sealant so that it does not dry. If you like my work, please subscribe to my channel and let others know. If you don't like it, please let me know. Thank you.